Want to watch YouTube on your Roku device? I will show you 3 easy methods to get it set up in just a few minutes. First, let's look at how to add the app directly using your Roku device. Start by pressing the Home button on your Roku remote to return to your main home screen. Next, navigate to and select Streaming Channels from the menu on the left side to open the Roku Channel Store. From there, select Search. You can use the magnifying glass icon to quickly find the YouTube app. Type YouTube using the on-screen keyboard. You will see matching results appear automatically as you type. Select the YouTube app from the search results. If you prefer, you can choose the YouTube TV app instead. Finally, select Add Channel to install YouTube. If your account is protected, you may need to enter your Roku PIN to verify. Alternatively, you can use the Roku website to add the channel remotely. Open your web browser and visit the official Roku Channel Store website. Sign in to the same Roku account that is linked to your streaming device. Type YouTube into the search bar or browse the categories to locate the app. Once you find it, click Details to view more information before you proceed. Click Add Channel. The app will be automatically added to your account and synced to your device. If you don't see the app immediately, you can go to your system settings and manually check for updates to force the installation. Our third method uses the Roku mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. First, open the Roku mobile app on your Android, iPhone, or iPad and ensure you are signed in to your account. Tap the search bar at the top of your screen to look for the YouTube app, or use the Store tab to browse channels manually. Type YouTube into the search field and start the search. You should see the official app appear in the results list. Select the YouTube app from the search results to open its detailed information page. Tap Add Channel and follow any additional on-screen prompts to install the app onto your Roku device. If the channel does not appear right away, navigate to Settings, System, and System Update on your Roku device to select Check Now. That's it! You can now launch YouTube from your Roku home screen and enjoy your favorite content immediately.